Ledgend Husqvarna Roadside Repair Center. Here we go. February 8th, 2015.
The hose clamp off first. We have a leak, Brian. We have a leak. The air mixture is inadequate with the hole.
Oh, bummer.
Take that off and secure it with it.
Yeah.
Ledgend and Floyd's Roadside Husqvarna Repair Service. Now, what model Husqvarna is that, Floyd?
The scary one, Brian. The scary model.
This is Floyd Anderson from Cortez Island, riding his air-cooled Husqvarna WR500, a 1984 model machine. Got a nice new tire on the front. Yeah, yeah.
Tires at Brian. That's why I'm having problems.
Yeah.
You got smaller tape? Your tape is too big, Tim. I bet you've never heard that before.
Sick of hearing that.
Thanks.
The Husqvarna.
And I mounted my fender a little too low. I keep bottoming out.
Oh, bugger. What do you do?
It looks like the whole bike sits pretty low.
Yeah. Well, I'm a big guy.
You got Olean shocks on there. They working all right?
Oh yeah. Big smooth.
Yeah,
It is a Cadillac.
yeah, yeah. Starts up good for you?
Yeah, it's good. Way better.
Yeah, you need smaller tape when it comes to small.
Now crankcases in that bike are Frankenstein together. I know. I never thought it would last.
99.7% size tape.
Yeah.
All the holes where the bearings go, when you weld it up, they start getting oval, and the bearings start being oval, and
3 hours of swinging hammers later, the Bikesmith says, "Get your fucking piece of shit out of here."
Where's my hammer?
Ledgend Roadside Repairs, Trailside. Steenhatson would have sold that Husqvarna back in the day. The importer for Husqvarna back in Edmonton, Alberta, Mrs. Steen. Hey, Brian, how you doing out there? We're right a Ferrari.
They're gonna be putting me on YouTube, Bikesmith.
Oh, yeah.
You're going on Ledgend's YouTube. Bike's got an air leak. Let's call your local Husqvarna dealer. Try to get some parts for it, Floyd.
Last guy brought a Husky. Remember that cylinder head came loose and was going up and down on the Husky? Is that you?
That was this bike. This is the next ride. Yeah. The juggling head trick was the last thing.
So Floyd here works up in Winter Harbor on the top of Vancouver Island. There's a giant-sized wind farm up there with a whole bunch of big propellers spinning away. Who gets all the dead birds, Floyd? Probably a bunch of new species of scavenger animal out there picking these dead birds off of underneath the propellers.
Well, you know, they're moving all the marmots from Mount Washington out there to clean that up. Up to the high side,
Okay.
The hands of a surgeon. This is Ledgend, formerly out of New Brunswick.
You need tiny rolls of tape to do this job.
Yeah, I might as well get one more so it ends underneath the clamp.
Husqvarna. Made in actually, I think it's called Husqvarna, Sweden. Used to be.
Okay.
This is a Swedish. This is one of the last of the Swedish missiles. 84, baby.
Fucking launch pad.
Fucking launch pad.
For now.
Okay, over and out from the bridge.